Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to do all the maintenance on the Dreamy X60 Ultra robot vacuum cleaner. They also sell an X60 Max. It shares the same parts. In this video, we're going to replace the dust bag, change out the mop pads, clean and replace the brush rollers, side brush, clean the sensors, and clean the dock area. I've even got some cleaning hacks for keeping your dirty water tank from getting super dirty and filled with stinky odor. Now, I am keeping track of generic parts, and on my website, justadadapproved.com, and in this video, if you purchase any of the products off of my website, the product's not going to cost you anymore, but I am an Amazon affiliate, and I do earn a small commission from those links. These are OEM parts right now. The generic ones are being a little tricky to find, but I did find some that are pretty good, and I'll put a link to those. In fact, yeah, I found this generic filter. It comes in a kit. These are a little harder to find. This blue roller is kind of new to Dreamy. And these are the thermal mop pads with the blue ring. You can use standard mop pads, but these do a better job of cleaning. This is new to Dreamy. This is a different type of side brush. So all new parts that don't, we've got the X50, L50, none of it shares parts with it. Down here, grab the filter. It's a little bit different looking filter. We are gonna have to rinse this out. This is, you gotta get down here and wash that out, but it does a pretty good job of keeping this area clean. All right, let's replace the dust bag. And here's where the solution, it's a great big solution tank. So pull this, and there's the dust bag. Now grab a new dust bag. Again, I like to kind of hold it like this. You gotta get it in that track, push it in. That needs to be flush right there. Then you kind of set it there. Put the top feet in, click it. People ask me all the time, do robot vacuum cleaners actually work? Well, let's cut the dust bag open on the Dreamy X60 Ultra and see. Wow. This is only about a month's worth of cleaning, and it's been doing a great job. Look at all that dog hair, fine dust, large particles. Does an amazing job. Now, I do recommend turning the robot off. Press and hold that button for about 5 seconds. The robot will shut down. Let's clean the sensors, wipe it down. This is just a lint-free cloth sensor here. There's even this sensor around back. We're going to take the dustbin filter out. There might be some dirt and debris up there. Take this little blower. And we're going to flip it over. Finish up the sensors. Sensor. Be careful of that. That's the carpet sensor. You can put this towel down there just a little bit. Just don't poke it or anything. And there's one kind of way back here. Make sure we get all the sensors. Mop pads. Let's take these off. These, you can freshen them up in the laundry. When you get your new one, make sure you engage the Velcro. I'm going to wipe that out around there. Right there needs wiped down. Let's take the brush roller out. These things get dirty. It's not worn yet, but it's just dirty. Pull it off the track here. I don't wash this metal thing, but I do. So I'll just blow that off. And again, my blower. Let's replace the side brush. That's a #1 Phillips. Hold the brush. The new brush comes with the screw. You do get some hair wrap around there sometimes. Now, when you get the new one, put it on there, rotate it. It's kind of keyed into place. You have to tighten these screws. They do like to come loose. So hold this tight. There you go. Now we're going to wipe down the inside with a damp cloth. That's a membrane. We want to be very careful and not damage that, but we can wipe all this down. Just don't get any water inside the robot. Okay, here's my cleaning hack. I love scrubbing bubbles. This kills all the odor. Every time I empty my dirty water tank, I put an Effordent tablet. I put a link to it in my show description notes and on my website. Use that in ventilated area. But anyway, put a tablet in there. Every time you empty it, as the water fills up, it kills the germs inside there. I'll put a link to this brush. This is a really great brush for cleaning everything you're going to see. Let's take a look at the dustbin. There's a big lever over here. You got to grab this lever. This is extremely dirty, so you got to let that dry in the sun after we wash it. All right, let's put it all back together. Find the yellow side. Should click onto place. Again, make sure you let this stuff dry outside. You have to rotate it, click it into place. Yeah. Find the arrows. You're going to go in at an angle, rotate them as you go down and down. This should be nice and flush. Find the door, put the front feet in first, wiggle as you go down. Make sure both of those click into place. Mop pads. Dustbin, this is a little tricky. I'm using the generic one. Make sure you clean around this trap door. Put those in, rotate. It should click into place, yeah. All right, let's go into settings. Let's replace the filter. Let's reset that timer. I did replace it. Side brushes, I haven't. Sensors, I did clean and restore now. Omni directional wheel, clean as necessary. This is a proven robot that I absolutely love. Again, it is on the kind of the top tier, but you're not going to be disappointed. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks everybody for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. Also check out where you can find all my approved products on my website, justadadapproved.com. You'll see a little link to it here at the end of the video. If you click on that, that's going to take you right to my website.